to connect mobile to Windows 11 laptop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your laptop. Click on System at the top. Then in System, on the left side, click on Projecting to this PC. In projecting to this PC, make sure all these three settings are same as mine. After you have done that, click on Launch the Connect app to project this PC at the top. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. After this, on your phone, scroll down the notification bar at the top and then search for Screencast. Turn on Screencast and search for your device. As you can see nearby devices, it's laptop. Simply click on it and your phone will be projected to your PC. This is how to connect mobile to Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.